What's up guys, Freddie Gospel here, driver of the Rockstar Energy Drink Next Entire Toyota Racing Corolla Hatchback. And this is your GoPro course preview here in St. Louis. I launched it first, with second immediately, third gear, hard flick into the first outer zone. Stay in the gas all the way through, trying to fill it, downshift to second, flick the car hard back over, grazing that outside curve, get into that inner clip, graze it.
Get out of inner clip 1 and fill outside zone number 2, which is to the driver's left. It's a very long zone, so you have to throttle down. I'm third, pin, generating a ton of wheel speed. When I get out of outer zone number 2, I try not to stay in too late. You start aiming for the touch and go number 2, which is blind. It's a convex K-rail that comes right at you, and that is your only spot to decelerate and come into the last turn. Then you hook it around the last inner clip, is inner clip number 2, hang in a left, get really close to it, and just power all the way through the finish. That is your GoPro course preview.